So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix classic Outlook stuck on updating the inbox. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your inbox is not updating and status typically indicate the application is experiencing the synchronization difficulties with your email server. Okay, so guys, to fix this issue you follow this video. Okay, so guys, first of all, you check your internet connection. Verify that your connection is stable by opening any web browser and attempting to load any website. Okay, for this, simply open any browser. Here you search any random website. Okay, and check that it's working or not. After this, guys, you move to the another step, which is you disable your offline mode. For ensuring the Outlook is currently not set to the offline mode, first of all you open your Outlook application again. After that, sorry, not the control panel, it's Outlook application. So you just open your application. Then guys, go to the option of file, then account settings. Then here you see the option of offline and turn off your offline email and the calendar. Okay. After that, guys, you force synchronization. Attempt manually and triggered a send and received action within the Outlook. Okay. So it helps you to refresh your application and forcefully send your mail. Okay. Click multi-time on the retry options, and once close your application, write a new mail, check the position of the draft mail. So these are the basic fixes that you can try to fix this. Last thing is, guys, you repair the application if the problem persists. So you repair. For this, open control panel, then go to the uninstall a program. After that, select your application. It's Microsoft 365. Okay, then after finding, right click on it, then change, and guys, here you see the option of quick repair. So you just select the quick repair and repair your Microsoft. Then guys, you check out on the web version if your desktop version is not working. So you simply go any browser and simply search the microsoft.outlook.com, and where you use your email ID and check that the problem is solved or not. So here is your website. So open your login and sign into your account in your Outlook. So guys, these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.